Hey guys, welcome to another reaction video, and this time to the legendary songbird Regine Velasquez Alcacid, featuring Morsette's heart-trendy performance of Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw at ASAP Natin To. Yep, so let's start. Never heard this song. This is my first time watching it. Usually everything's my first time here, so that's a great thing for me, because I don't have to fake my reaction. Sorry about this, but when I listen to Mrs. Alcacid, it always feels like when she sings her ballad, it feels like something straight out of a Korean drama or K-drama. And yeah, I love ballads. She's the queen, right? She's the queen. She started everything. This is why I love ballads as much as I love folk songs or indies. Yeah, as much as I love indies, it's because they talk to you. Like, you know, when you listen to a song and it makes you feel like you can get through anything, this is it. Okay, I've heard this song. I'm sorry. Okay, this is not my first time hearing hearing the entire song, but I've heard of that somewhere. They often use that as a reel in YouTube. Yeah. Okay, this is that song. Oh my goodness. Their voices blends well. Yeah. Whoa. Hold on, Miss Reggie. Hold on, I'm sorry. Wow. She's that girl. Oh my goodness. She's not disrespecting Miss Reggie or Mrs. Regine, but rather she's complementing her voice with hers. Does that make sense? Who is she? Morissette. Okay, I remember that name. Yeah. Yeah. No competition. There's no competition. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Morissette, huh? Hold on. She's great. Oh my god. Wow, that was something Regine used to do. Wow, she's great. Whoa. Okay. Again, that was great. That was a great ballet. I don't know what else to say. They're both great. They're both great. I always salute to Miss Mrs. Regine. But that girl, Morissette, she's on a different level too. I mean, I'm not comparing them. They're both on. Regine's legendary, and this girl is another legend in the making, I guess. She's another legend in the making. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, maybe a huge thumbs up maybe, and I'll see you again on the next video. So I'll see you there, hopefully. Thank you. Goodbye.